Let's talk about how to create an annotated bibliography with Zotero and Microsoft Word. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to create your annotations inside Zotero. It can come from any notes you have taken anywhere as long as you have some texts for the summaries of your annotated bibliography or the sources you have created inside Zotero. You can always go to this right side, and then within extra you need to put down that summary. So here you can see that I already have created summaries for all of my papers that I need for this specific project. So yeah, this is the very first step. You need to create the annotations inside the extra. Now let's talk about the annotation style. So we want a specific style for this annotated bibliography. This is APA 7th annotated bibliography style. You can go for anything else, but we are trying to create an APA 7th annotated bibliography. So for this, you need to go inside Edit, then go to Settings, and then go to Cite. Here you can see I already have APA 7th annotated bibliography style imported because I did it before. But in most of your cases, you will not have this within. So you will go to additional styles, which is this, and then you need to search for APA bibliography. So here you can see APA 7th edition annotated bibliography, American Psychological Education 7th edition annotated bibliography. So you'd click on this and then that would be imported. But because I already have that, it doesn't create any change. So that's how you get the specific style imported. Now, in the last step, we will take all the citations that we have created with the summaries inside the extra and put them into Microsoft Word. And to do so, we will select all the citations we want. In my case, these are all the citations for this project. Then right click and then create bibliography from items, this one. And then you'll see a bunch of stuff. So you will select the APA 7th edition annotated bibliography style. That's the first thing you need to do. And then in your case, this might be something else, but always select copy to clipboard and then hit OK. Now nothing happens because everything is copied to my clipboard. Now if I bring Microsoft Word and Ctrl V or right click and paste, you will see that I have all of my annotated bibliography in the correct format that I want. So here you can see the APA 7 citation, and here you can see the annotations of that bibliography. Annotations are the very short summary, 3 to 5 sentence summary. So that's how you create an annotated bibliography from Zotero to Microsoft Word. So a few key things to remember, that this will only work with Zotero entries and not a file. So if you just work on a PDF that you have imported and did not create a Zotero entry like this will not work. So I will show how to create a Zotero entry later on. So yeah, that's one. And if I am working, I usually keep my headings bold, so that kind of gives me direction of where one ends and where the other starts. So those are the two things you should keep in mind when creating an annotated bibliography from Zotero to Microsoft Word. Have fun!